Presenting the Canon Pixma G1010 single-function ink tank color printer. The printer is ideal for regular or frequent home and small office usage requiring more than 300 pages per month. The printer uses the ink tank technology, which is ideal for high-volume printing at low running cost. This printer can only perform print function. It can print in color as well as black-white. Connect to the printer with USB. You get a printing speed of up to 8.8 black and white pages or 5 color pages per minute. The printer also supports multiple paper sizes and borderless printing to help you with your various print requirements. Get low printing costs at just 8 paise for black and white prints and 21 paise for color prints. The compatible ink bottle for this printer is GI790 Black and GI790 Cyan Magenta Yellow. This printer comes with one each of all 4 ink bottles. This product comes with 1 year on-site warranty or 15,000 pages print, whichever is earlier. The printer comes with free installation by the brand. Check the product page for more details. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods, or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.